Alright, what is poppin'? I've actually not made a video in like, I don't know, maybe 5, 6 days, almost a week now. I've not really been trading like that, my account has been kind of mixed up and like my friend using it and a bunch of swings going on, so we're not gonna count all that. We're not gonna talk about it. I didn't trade yesterday either, but today I traded only $50. It's all good. Total PNL for today was 50. We'll take it. We're grinding. It's a slow grind. We'll see. Anyways, let's get right into it. How many trades total? I think I got 4 trades incoming. All right, let's start with the S&P pre-market. By the way, CPI came out today, but the market didn't really react to it. It was just kind of flat right here in the morning. It was not the kind of move I expected. So yeah, we just opened somewhere around here. But basically, my plan for the day, we had this 4-hour demand zone with a bunch of supply zone with a bunch of zones in there, the 30-minute and the 2-hour. But since we opened right there, I was not really expecting this one to hold. If we rejected it within the first hour or even 30 minutes, yeah, then I would look to play short into this 30-minute demand zone that we formed yesterday, and we rejected it overnight multiple times. But if we kind of got the price was accepted within this 4-hour zone, I was gonna go long, targeting like the 2-hour somewhere up there. And then I had my resistance, this line right here. We broke below it, touched it once, and today was the second time. If we did break above it, then I think there's another supply zone up here that could have sent the market back down. And to the downside, if it was hard to kind of look for shorts in here, like below this 30-minute demand zone, because then there's a daily demand zone, there's another 4-hour right here. So I was just gonna watch the market do its thing. I don't have to trade that because there's lots of buyers out here. They could just easily send the market back up. So I was not really trying to short anything in there. If it happened to sell through it, then I was just gonna watch it. It doesn't matter until we get below it, and even then I think there's a support line right here somewhere. Look right here. Let me actually draw it. Yeah, see, we can bounce off of this line right here. But yeah, that was kind of my plan. So, and on NQ, let's move on to NQ. NQ was, I actually had this beautiful trend line right here that I drew yesterday on NQ. I thought we were either gonna reject it. I was either trying to play the rejection, but we never quite got to it. And this morning we opened right at it. To be honest, I was going to trade it. I wanted to trade it, but I didn't. I don't know. I should try to trade other strategies too, but I'm just trying to stick to the supply and demand only and stuff like that. But if it's, as long as I get a really tight stop loss and the trade makes sense to me, I shouldn't be scared to send it. So I'm gonna work on that. It's a beautiful trend line right there. We're breaking. The stop loss would have been like, if we rejected it many times and we started trading below it, then I would have stopped out. But as long as we got acceptance above this line right here, it should be good. You should send it calls all the way to this I think 1-hour supply zone right here. Anyways, first trade was at 847, 846, 847. I grabbed SPY and QQQ calls at the same time. Let's see what that looked like. We're going to 1 minute. Boom. Yeah, that was my trend line. So this is where we open, and we got that pullback right there. I think I could have gotten it at this candle right here, to be honest. There's no reason to be scared. We're trading above it. It's looking pretty good. We got that retest right there, and my stop loss would have been somewhere here if we started trading below it, even kind of closer to VWAP or something like that. And my price target would have been all the way up there, and that should be fine. I should be taking trades like this actually. But yeah, first trade was at 847. 847 was, I think I got in. All right, right here. It would look like that. It was kind of a bear flag breaking out. What time is this? Yeah, 847. I got it on this candle, or one of these candles right here, both on QQQ and SPY, and look what happened. it kind of started working out. We got that breakout right there with volume, but then got kind of rejected right away, and then boom, red candle. You know, we started trading lower, and my stop loss was actually, let me try to zoom out. My stop loss was somewhere right here. If we broke below this and started trading, you know, we broke below this line that I have right here, this line, then I would have stopped out, and my price target was up there. Basically, we got this little pullback, started trying to break it again, and then when we got the second pullback, I just stopped out. I think I saw a double top forming, and I was not really trying to get caught up into a big sellout. You know, I should have maybe stuck to my stop loss. I'm gonna work on that. You know, I should really be maybe looking at the tape or any other, you know, tips to kind of help me out with my trade. But I think I stopped out somewhere here at 9.11 on both for a loss. Yeah, 9.11. I just stopped out at both because it just started looking like a double top, even though it never went below the lows right here. I don't even know why I stopped out. I thought it was a fail of a new high right here. We failed to, like, you know, get above it. So I was like, okay, you know, that does not look that great. I just decided to stop out right here. And both of those trades, I think I lost about $57 on them. And didn't touch the market until right here, 11:39. Let's see what's going on there. I think that's what, NQ. I got QQQs, yeah, 11:39. Sold at 12:13. 11:29. Yeah, we had my supply zone right there. I was, to be fair, to be honest, I was not watching the charts around this time when we were rejecting it. I got in a little bit later on because it was just playing around a little too much, and I thought my entry was still okay. 11:39 was right here. All right, so I just entered right here. I had my stop loss right here above that. As if we made a new high, I would have stopped out. And my price target was somewhere around the view app. Not this one, the one on QQQ actually. My price target was right here. And I think I sold at what, 12.13, which is, yeah, I sold right here, very close. You know, I left a lot of money on the table, but we're not going to talk about that. I only had one contract, so I got to lock in the profit. I just sold it right there. It's all good. I saw the contracts like just go crazy after I sold it, but if I had more than, you know, one, yeah, I could sell one here and let the other one run. But right now with a small account size, I got to get all the profit I can. So it's all good. That was the first trade, and I think I took another. That was the third trade. I took another one on SPY right here, somewhere at the bottom. Got it. $2, $2.42. Made another $42 on that. 12.50 to 103. 12.50. Let me look at SPY real quick. Yes, actually, 12.50. All right, come on now. All right, on SPY, we actually rejected that key level up there on SPY. You know, I could have gotten a much better entry somewhere around here because that looks good, just right here. Boom, that should be entry. Stop loss right there. Target somewhere around the VWAP. But I was in NQ and I was not really, you know, I don't know why I was not really looking at the charts that well today. But anyways, I got in at 12.50 right here. Where was it? 12. I was forming a bear flag. I would look like that. We rejected the VWAP. That would have been a better entry, to be honest. A VWAP rejection like that, you know. But I entered right here at the VWAP when we were kind of forming a bear flag like that. And then what happened is we got the sell-off. And my stop loss was basically somewhere right here. If we closed above the, you know, the bear flag gets invalidated, I was just going to stop out. And I closed maybe somewhere here. Is it 1303? Yeah, 1303. I closed right here. Right here for a $42 profit. I saw that whenever this candle happened, the contracts went up. I would have been up probably like, I don't know, $100 or something like that. But doesn't matter. You're not always gonna catch the whole move. I'm happy with this trade. It's all good. It's fine. Yeah, even if I had 7 contracts, I think I would have taken it out somewhere here. Cause look, it's today's low. We could easily reject it and start moving up and start me out before, you know, moving lower. So I'm okay taking profits right there. But yeah, I think those are all the trades I took today. Total of $50 only. We take it, we move, slow grind. We'll see where it goes. But yeah, I'll try to make these videos every day, like I said. Tomorrow PPI coming out. You know, there's a bunch of plays. Tomorrow should be a good day in my opinion. Like we're in a bunch of key levels. There's supply zones and demand zones everywhere, so it shouldn't be too hard to trade. But let's see what happens. Anyways, peace out.